What is the best Irish film of all time? When we ask, what is the best Irish film of all time? We open up a world of stories that reflected the heart of Irish culture. Irish cinema has a rich history, filled with films that capture the essence of life in Ireland. One film that stands out is The Quiet Man. Directed by John Ford and released in 1952, it tells the tale of an American boxer returning to his roots in Ireland. The film beautifully showcases the stunning landscapes of rural Ireland while exploring themes of love and community. Another iconic film is The Commitments. Released in 1991 and directed by Alan Parker, this musical comedy drama follows a group of young musicians in Dublin. It highlights the vibrant music scene and the youthful spirit of Ireland in the late 20th century. The film is filled with energy and showcases the passion of its characters as they pursue their dreams. For those traveling in Ireland, films like Waking Ned and The Field are also worth watching. Waking Ned is a delightful comedy about a small village's reaction to a lottery win, filled with humor and charm. On the other hand, The Field is a powerful drama that delves into themes of land ownership and family dynamics, offering a more serious look at Irish life. In recent years, Brooklyn has gained significant attention. Directed by John Crowley in 2015, this film tells the story of a young Irish woman who immigrates to the United States in the 1950s. It explores her struggles with identity and belonging, making it a poignant reflection of the immigrant experience. Brooklyn beautifully captures the emotional journey of its protagonist, showcasing the challenges and joys of finding a new home. These films provide a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of Ireland. They reflected the values, struggles, and triumphs of the Irish people, making them essential viewing for anyone interested in Irish culture. Whether you are a film enthusiast or just curious about Ireland, these movies offer a unique perspective on the country's history and its people. So, the next time you think about the best Irish film, remember the stories that have shaped Irish cinema and continue to inspire audiences around the world.